Way more than I thought.
Yeah, this guy's gonna be stoked.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it is baseline time. We have this LS3 Corvette baseline. Obviously, you can hear it's already got some stuff done. Then we also have a Callaway C7 Z to baseline. All right, it's got headers and a K&N intake. I think a muffler as well. Matthew, guess?
420.
Solid guess. Eric?
What did you say?
He said 420.
Manual.
Yep. Oh.
No muffler.
I was gonna say, they're stainless and shit.
Yeah, dude, the tips definitely look like stock.
They look bigger than in a stock car. Okay, so muffler, delete, headers, intake. He said 420. Give it to me.
4.
And do now.
427.
Okay. I'm going 435.
Not bad.
6, right?
Sure is. See that long guess that I was going with? Remember I took a little while? Really just, you know.
You're just a little slow.
Here he is, patting up on the shoulder, yeah.
You said 27 then, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. That's true. I was thinking 6.
Whatever. Pick one. All right, so we've got a Callaway C7 Z06, 2019. I'm not sure what package it is. Let's pop the hood and see. It's got a Corsa on it. $590.
What is it?
I said $590.
What package?
I don't know.
What do they make stock?
$550.
Go 550.
I don't know. I popped it.
I'm gonna get the car's benefit of that.
It's the 757 package.
It's just like 7, oh no, something like that. I am gonna get the car the benefit of the doubt, and I'm gonna go 640.
Okay. I'm staying with my 590. Does have carbon brakes. Eric's gonna push it to the limits.
Are you wrapping the fenders on this or no?
No, it's wrapped. It's a good job on the wrap. Looks good. 585 that thing made.
That's what this thing will make.
I said 590.
I'll be shocked if it makes over 610.
Okay.
Apparently this thing went back there like multiple times, and they had it for like months, like tuning it.
So maybe it'll make more.
Yeah, I mean Callaway already hates me, but
Why?
because they hate me because I tell people that their f***ing cars make stock power. They do,
Yeah.
and it's been proven multiple times.
So we were saying off camera, but so we had a dyno day years ago at the old shop. We got a customer had a Callaway C7 Z. Went on the dyno, made 585, 584, 583, 584, like 4
Yeah.
pulls.
And then we had another one same day, bone stock car, same exact thing,
Yeah.
which actually Mark Agnett's car at the time.
Made the same power.
Manual car, both manual cars, both they made the exact same power, same day.
But we didn't. So we didn't do a video about this, but what's his name?
Chip.
Chip did.
With
So,
Talon TSI 97.
so here's his video. Feel free to check it out. bashing Callaway, and just saying we had one come in. People like to say our dyno reads hot.
Probably on the
Car came in, made power of a stock C7 Z06, so take it as it is.
Yeah, I mean, you have to figure it's their 757 package, which means it makes quote
100 more horsepower
757.
than stock.
Correct. So it should make 100 more at the wheels. Wheels they make generally 580-ish, so this package should make 680-ish at the tire.
Correct. Based on that drivetrain loss, etc.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, their stock rated is 650.
What are we doing to this?
A bunch of I think. Yeah, cam, meth,
cam, meth, fuel system.
Yeah, a bunch of stuff actually.
I think you win. I think you're closest.
Yeah, you guys all went real low.
Well, that's what we're used to. Matt doesn't care. I was actually aiming for what it was going to do.
What'd you say, 585?
590. I mean, I'm still not that far off.
I mean, you gotta figure still, they make 580 stock for like a $35,000 package. You pay
40 horsepower.
40 horsepower?
Yeah.
Literally, you can do an intake and tune and it'll make 630.
Alright, we also have a C6Z that just dropped off. We're going to baseline this real quick as well. It's getting our heads cam package. Already has exhaust. I think that's it. Now the exhaust is hanging down. It's got Billy Boat.
Oh, yes, is that?
We're going to fix it. Don't worry. But it's got no hangers. So we might even be putting stock exhaust on it because the customer says it drones like crazy. So Eric, 469.
Yes, absolutely.
Matthew.
What's done to it?
I think just Billy Boat. Let me check. Let me pop it. Aerate intake. Stock manifolds, aerate intake. Eric's guess is probably pretty long.
Yeah, 460.
Okay. 472.
Can he go 3 for 3?
Nah, I'm gonna scumbag.
It's rare. It's rare.
I'm gonna scumbag. Hey, that's it. Well, Eric got lucky.
Turkey.
Yeah,
That's a turkey.
you are a turkey. So Matt has his next project, this LS3 C6 Corvette. Already had headers and intake.
Yep.
What are we doing? Heads cam?
Just have to go.
Nice. So heads cam already has headers, no cats, and no mufflers. I'm really surprised this thing wasn't louder than it was. You guys are right. Like, I thought it had cats at least. So we'll let him work on that. Eric is working on that C6 Grand Sport still. He's working on the fuel system, looks like right now. He's got a lot to do on this meth fuel system. Obviously the blower's already on, but still a lot of little things to do. And like I mentioned before, we are getting an RPM transmission for this as well. We're waiting for that one to get here before we kind of put it back together. We're not sending this out right away, so we should have that probably next week.
I found these when I cleaned all that shit up over there.
We'll see what happens when you do a little spring cleaning.
Shot of that little label on the end of there, Brett.
Lube her up all real nice and good like. Piston rod combo, our can package. No fuel system or meth, because it was just originally going to be heads can. We were waiting on the valve covers. Customer said, you know what, screw it, it's there, let's do the Procharger. So we put that on. So it wasn't meant to be done right now.
Correct. He wanted to plan to do a blower.
Kind of guilt tripped him into it.
We didn't guilt trip him into it.
I'm just kidding. Obviously no meth, no fuel system, no ease. Not shooting for a whole ton of boost because fuel system wise, fuel wise, not going to be able to handle it. Piston rod combo will definitely handle it.
Yeah, it's all set up now. It just needs a fuel system and...
I mean, this should be a huge jump from what it was before.
What a baseline.
They usually do. It's been a little while, so sorry if my memory is a little rusty. So far.
Let him pour my guess.
Yeah. So I checked baseline. Baseline was like 394. That's all I know.
So it'll probably pick up 250.
Yeah.
We're at 628 right now on like the second, almost full pull.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
I guessed it'd make 650, so.
Sounds about right. Yeah. Heads cam, NA, auto, one of these in the 490, 480, 500 max range, lower, another 150 pump gas. Yeah. And for the boost it's on, it's what was that, 6 pounds?
Not even yet, 5.7 or 5.8.
That's pretty good. Down a little bit more. 666, not too bad. Hell yeah.
Yeah. Way more than I thought.
Yeah, this guy's gonna be stoked.
Yeah.
It's pretty killer.
On 93, that's sick.
Yeah, that's really
No math, like that's sick.
And an auto too.
7 pounds, that's badass.
That's really, really good.
I mean, Bill told the kid it would make 580.
Yeah.
So we're gonna give it back to him and be like, here, it made 720.
Well, we always usually underestimate, over deliver.
We do, but still, like, yeah, Bill's like thinking in his head, it'll probably make around 600. So if it makes 580-ish, makes 600, he'll be happy.
Yeah.
I think it would make 650.
That's
It's a bad little dude, man.
Yeah. And it's got a lot of room for more.
There's a lot of room for more, yeah.
Yeah. I mean, if you wanted to set up like this and leave it at this and be happy with it, you can do the stock bottom end. If you want more.
No, you couldn't.
No? You don't think so?
No, because I have way more timing than I put in a stock piston.
Alright, fair enough. I'm just thinking boost-wise, but okay.
Boost-wise, yeah, not...
Yeah, I don't see what you have.
Yeah, no.
In there.
Stock piston, I wouldn't have this.
Fair enough.
Good piston, do it all day.
That's fair. Alright, let's get a little trans out of her.
In process.
Just to give you guys a little comparison, this is kind of the better screen for it, but here's your stock power. That's badass. Update on this real quick. Matt just put the new Frankenstein RPM series LS3 heads on. So yes, we're not just doing LS7, we're also doing LS3, LS2 if you want them. These are killer. The stuff on here is really just the coating. We'll get them wiped off, but look really good. So as you can see, we've got a lot of cars in here. A lot for both Matt and Eric. We've been trying to find some good help for a while, and we finally have.